While at the market, I found this little snake wandering around, so I picked him up, or her, and placed it on my shoulders. The snake was heavy, but cool to the touch. And now, what am I going to do with him? Bonnie's worst fears are snakes. No way could I coax her any closer. I tried to get her closer, but judging by the looks on her face, I could see she wasn't getting any closer.
Oh, come on.
It was very warm out, so having that snake around me to cool off a little bit was just fine.
It's just a little pet. Come on.
No bite, no problem.
No problem.
He said, "No bite, no problem." My guide told me I cannot take him in the van.